Now this is question number 3 of exercise 3.2. Use divisibility test and determine if the following numbers are divisible by 6 or not. Before doing this, we have to recall the divisibility of 6 and then we will start doing this. First of all, we should know about what is the divisibility of 6. As we have studied earlier that divisibility of 6 is if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. Means अगर कोई नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिविजिबल होगा तब वो 6 से डिविजिबल होगा. तो इसके लिए हमें पहले डिविजिबिलिटी ऑफ 2 और 3 जो है उसको रिमेंबर करना होगा. Divisibility of 2, if the last digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Now here you can see in the example 62,762, the last digit is 2. That's why it is divisible by 2. In B you can see 12,361, here last digit is 1. So we can say no, it is not divisible by 2 because last digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 because it is 1. So it is not divisible by 2. And its C part 86,577. Now here last digit is 7. So the number also not divisible by 2 because last digit is not 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now divisibility of 3. If sum of all the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Means we will add all the digits of the number, or if the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is only divisible by 3, otherwise it will not be divisible by 3. For example, 72,828. Here we will add all the digits 7 plus 2 plus 8 plus 2 plus 8. Now we will get 27, and 27 is divisible by 3. So 72,828 is divisible by 3. Means when the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, only then the number is divisible by 3. Now we all know the divisibility of 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. So first of all, find the divisibility of 2 here. Means is it divisible by 2 or not? Now you can see last digit of this number is here, it is 4. So we will write last digit is 4. And if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So here it is 2. So here it is 4. So yes, 297,144 is divisible by 2. Then by 3. If the sum of digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then we will find sum of digits. Now here in this number digits are 297 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. Now here you can see 6 digits are there, and we will add all the 6 digits. 2 plus 9 11, 11 and 7 18, plus 1 19, 19 and 4 23 and 4 27. Now what you got? 27, and here 27 is divisible by 3. So 297,144 is divisible by 3. As we know, if the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Now you can see it is divisible by 2 also, and it is divisible by 3 also. That's why it is divisible by 6 also. Then we will write yes, 297,144 is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, only then it will be divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 2 and not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. If it is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. The condition is number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. Now do all the left parts as I have done in this first, third A part. Left all parts you have to do in this way.